Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be guiding you through how to download Bitflyer application on your iPhone. So let's dive in straight into the video since the process is quite easy. Go ahead and open your app store. In the search box, type in Bitflyer and make sure to search for Bitflyer application. Once you find this application from Bitflyer Inc., tap on the Get button to start downloading the application. Bitflyer crypto exchange application is available for both iOS and Android operating systems. Once the application is downloaded, the application allows you to buy, sell, and invest in cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and Bitcoin Cash within minutes on a secure crypto exchange. So that was how you can easily download Bitflyer application on your iPhone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.